Hey everyone, so today's goal was pretty simple, building on top of the work previously done for the RAS service and creating an MCP server for it. So I refactored my existing server. I created a skeleton uh, base code for it yesterday and used MCP TypeScript SDK, which is pretty popular. So I use this SDK to define two tools in my server, query RAS and add document to RAS. So these tools would then exist for any model or LLM to understand like the tools that RAS has that it can use to uh, get responses from it. And to make sure it worked perfectly, I built a test client folder in it in my current existing project and also use the SDK again for that. So this script that I built, runtest.js, it connects to the server and calls the query RAS tool right here, and it basically acts like a real AI agent for interacting with the server. So if I go into the root of my project and just type out docker compose up, it starts up all of the services and takes a little bit of time, but there we go. All of the services are basically started. Yeah, and the last one you need to look for is the MCP server. It's listening on the localhost port. And to test the server, if I go open another terminal, go to my test folder, and in my test folder, if I run node run test.js, you can see it's contacting the MCP server. And it works. So this script basically connects to the server. It calls the query RAS tool just like an AI agent actually would, and the client has connected. You can see a response was received here, and if we go, I had to insert a document in place relevant to the one I was querying here, but if you go and see, you'll see that it found one hit and it returned that exact document and its content as well, the one that it matched, and a score as well. So yeah, so we were able to successfully retrieve the correct document that we needed from the RAS engine's knowledge base. Now the next goal would be to make the search even more smarter, perhaps like by implementing a hybrid search. And I have an issue credit for hybrid search here as well. Something related that's a mixture of the can and vector search that already takes place and full text search. So that is something pretty interesting, and maybe a couple of other methods as well. So stick around and we'll see how it progresses.